Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Tag After School mobile download, guys. No jailbreak or computer needed. So this will give you fully working mobile controls and you can actually go ahead and play the game. So yeah, I'm on the newest phone. I'll show you guys a little bit of gameplay and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, guys, we got the intro right here and it actually works. So this is pretty awesome, guys, because you can actually go ahead and get it. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of gameplay and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's just go ahead and play it for a little bit, as you guys can see. And as you can see, guys, it is working. So this is pretty cool. And I just can't even believe you can actually go ahead and play it. But it does work, guys. So this is pretty insane. So as you guys can see, I'm able to run around and stuff like that. And I mean, it's not really a demanding game in terms of graphics, but it actually does work. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm able to hide. And I mean, this is pretty cool that it actually works. So yeah, guys, I am not really experiencing any problems with the game. It actually runs pretty well, so it's pretty cool. So as you can see, guys, I'm able to play. So this is pretty insane, guys. So let's just wait. I'm just going to show you guys how to download it. So as you guys can see, I can actually play it and it's fully working. So this is pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and play it for a little bit here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and play it for a little bit more, guys, as you can see. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So yeah, this is pretty awesome, guys. You can actually go ahead and play it. So yeah, I don't own a good computer, so I can't play this, but I can play it on my phone with this mobile edition. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So as you can see, I'm able to play it and it's working fine. So this is pretty crazy, guys, as you can see. So I'm actually able to go ahead and play, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So as you guys can see, I'm just running away right now. So it is working and this is just super awesome. So yeah, guys, I have not encountered any problems with it at all. So as you guys will see, it is working right here. So yeah, this is pretty cool. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So we'll just wait for this guy to go away. So I'm going to show you guys some gameplay and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So yeah, guys, it's pretty awesome. So you can see it's pacing back and forth. So yeah, it's not hard to download, guys. You don't need a lot of storage either. You just got to follow my steps and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So as you can see right now, I'm able to play and I mean, this is just crazy. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the tutorial and you guys are going to learn how to download it onto your device. All right, so what you need to do if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, go to general, go to background app refresh, make sure that's on. Go to battery and make sure low power mode's off. You know it's on because your percentage will be yellow. So now go over, get it. So let me just go ahead and type it. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type it in. And then once it comes up, guys, go ahead and press on it, press download. You got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out. See you later and peace out.